Well, I have the allegation against the CDPO. I lodged a complaint before the chief secretary, before the district magistrate, before the systematic corruptions of the food grains of the midday meal. The 14, I beg to appear on behalf of the petitioner.
I appear
Now
respondent
the
number 2,
this
Ministry
national,
of Education.
the national food security has been enacted by way of the order passed by the Honorable Supreme Court for providing the cooked midday meal in favor of the children aged about the 0 to 6 and the 6 to 14. Now this kindly come to page 21. So now this is the enactment of the notification issued by the central government. So now herein, my lord, I have come from before your lordships for the systematic corruptions of the food grains of the midday meal. So now kindly come to page 21 of the scheme enactment which has been issued by the central government. So now the food grains means the act means the National Food Security Act 2013. This I am coming from the reading in from the definition of the said act. And now the meals. The food grains means the wheat, rice, wheat, grains, etc., etc. Now the management has come before your lordship. Kindly come to clause 7. So now the management took a decision by virtue of the majority member of the said school. Kindly come to page 17. So the 17 is the Bengali. Now the 19 I have translated copy. Have given my lords. Kindly come to my lord justice. This is the allotment of the food grains. 60 kg, the 600 kg per kg sack is for 50 kg. Every month, the allotment has been made at the instance of the respondent number the 10, 5 kg less in per sack. Kindly come to I have given the resolution which has been took place. So kindly come.
Let me cut short the matter. CDPO, Child Development Project Officer, is the competent authority. There is no representation to him. If my learned friend, subject to my lord's approval, let him make an approval, we will consider.
Correct. This is the corruption only, not only under the CDPO. There is it should be decided by the district magistrate under the scheme of midday meal. District magistrate is the head of the district. Because of that, this is the
no, CDPO will inquire into.
Well, I have the allegation against the CDPO. I lodged a complaint before the chief secretary, before the district magistrate, before the.
Where is the complaint?
My lord, this kindly come to. This is the my lord's complaint. A lots of complaint, page 29. Because this is not the a particular block. Because of that, a corruption, systematic corruption throughout the block and the district.
We will check on the block. This block, if he says
I may
all
but
over
the block
West Bengal,
CDPO
going
is
on, my lord will kindly provide me an
my
opportunity
learned is
to find out.
correct. But I have the delegation in spite of repeated request before the CDPO. You take the proper step. CDPO is sitting tight about the matter. Because of that, dealer is under control of the CDPO.
All right. Who is the next higher authority to
The district magistrate maybe. I have lodged a complaint before the also district magistrate, chief secretary. I lost. Kindly come to page 29.
chiefs?
No, because of that, this is not not particular block. Because of a sack of 50 kg rice, it is not particular block. Coming from the go down to another dealer, that is also this in the way, the 50 kilo per kg. A loss complaint by the 99 center. More than 1,000 the guardian laws a complaint before the authority concerned. Nothing has been done by the authority.
Petitioner alleges that there is large scale irregularity being committed with regard to the supply of midday meals, for supply of material for the midday meal in terms of the scheme announced by the central government and implemented by the state. The petitioner would also allege that the competent authority, namely this Child Development Project Officer, Joynagar 2, has not taken any action despite mass petition being given, alleging various discrepancies, including discrepancy in the weight of
No,
each bag of
No, no.
each sack of rice. The petitioner has also submitted a complaint to the chief secretary, and since none of the complaints have been uh, uh, taken note of and no reply has been sent, the present writ petition has been filed. Since the writ petition is disposed of without calling for affidavits, the allegations made by the petitioner are not gone into. There will be the writ petitioner is directed to submit a detailed representation along with the relevant documents by appearing in the office of the district magistrate South 24 Parganas in person. And on receipt of the same, the district magistrate shall nominate a senior officer to inquire into the matter and submit a report. The petitioner shall also be afforded an opportunity of personal hearing to place materials before the district magistrate. Upon perusal of the report and after hearing the petitioner in person, the district magistrate
No,
shall
no,
take appropriate action.
Lord, under the rule, Lord, under the rule 6, Lord,
Yes,
the state steering come monitoring committee
Yes,
is the, Lord, the
21.
implementing authority.
Yes, appropriate authority বলে দিয়েছে।
For 6 weeks from the date on which the inquiry is completed. So we'll stop with this.